In this video, we would like to highlight some marketing tools using SalonEZ. To begin, access the marketing tools easily found at the top of your application. Here you can see helpful features such as a customer birthday list, top spending customers, least spending customers, frequent customers, infrequent customers, and many others. Let's take a look at the top spending customers feature. Here, you can select your top spending customers and send them special personalized messages to show your appreciation. For example, we can send out a message offering a 15% discount on their next visit. Click Send, and this message will be sent out to all top spending customers. You can also send out bulk SMS text messages easily with SalonEZ. To begin, enter your password and you will be able to see the numbers of all your current customers. You will have options to send a text, a picture, or both. To send a picture, simply click Add Picture and upload the desired picture from your device. For example, here we are sending out a picture for $10 off your next visit to be sent out to all customers. Thank you for watching.